Lily, today we make the viral Lego Mochi.
Wow, so soft and squishy.
First, we need the finest Lego ingredients.
I'll help gather everything, Chef. Time to find the special rice flour. Aha! Here it is! One Lego rice flour, coming right up. Rice flour acquired, Chef!
Excellent work, Lily. Now, for the Lego sugar.
Sugar is right here, Chef. Sweetness ready to go.
Perfect. Now for the secret ingredient, Lego water.
The squishy maker. Getting the water now. Whoosh! So fresh! Water is ready, Chef!
Fantastic! All ingredients present. Let the Lego Mochi making begin!
Yay!
First, the foundational flour. Into the bowl it goes.
My turn for the sweet stuff. Sprinkle, sprinkle, hello, happy sugar.
Now for a quick whisk to combine the dry. Whisk, whisk, little star. Lightly mixed, just so.
Now, the water magic. Slowly, slowly transform.
Time to make a smooth batter.
Look, it's getting sticky.
Batter perfection achieved.
Ready for the steamer dish.
Careful now, into the dish.
Holding steady, Chef.
Every last drop counts.
Off to the steam bath. Whew, it's warm. Into the steam.
Now, we wait for the magic to happen.
I wonder how soft it will get.
Ding! It's ready!
Safety first! Wow, it's really steamy now. Ooh, it's so jiggly. Now to let it cool a little. Patience, patience.
Almost ready for kneading.
Dusting the workspace.
Out you come, beautiful dough. Time for the famous Mochi stretch.
Push, push gently.
Now, a delicate fold. Another fold so tidy. Turn, turn, a little spin. The perfect elasticity.
Time to divide and conquer. Even portions for everyone.
Time to make a little pocket.
Fresh, juicy Lego berries. A little surprise inside.
The creamy red bean paste completes it.
Time to wrap our little gift. A final smooth for perfection.
Time for the finishing powder. Dust, dust, no stick.
Magnificent. Ready to serve.
The first one on the plate.
Behold, our viral Lego Mochi.
They look so yummy.
The moment of truth.
So soft and sweet.
Try one, Lily. Pure joy.
Oh, thank you, Chef.
Our viral Lego Mochi is a success.
So squishy and so good.